Hello everyone, Piotr speaking. Welcome to my weekly Forex analysis. Let's go to Euro USD. This is the monthly chart. We've got a monthly candle, which is a doji candle. A doji always brings indecision. This could mean that we'll see more up and down moves during this month, because the market is in indecision and most probably is asking itself, okay, shall we go to a downside here or shall we continue the upward move? I think I said last week this is a strong candle, the green one, the previous one, and the market, the current candle, which is red at the moment, may react in the midway of this green candle. So this is what you can expect, and we are of course above Bollinger moving average 100 and Bollinger middle band. So this is more or less still an upward trend, okay, because of this definition. Let's put it that way, okay. Moving average 100 and moving average 20. This is the Bollinger middle band. So this is the market is above those two moving averages, and okay, only the doji brings this indecision. We are below this resistance line as well. The answer whether the market is going to go up or to down is to be found on lower intervals, like 3 hours chart. I will show it in a few minutes. Let's check the weekly. On the weekly, we've got a red candle with which has reacted to the Bollinger middle band. I always pay attention to those facts. As here, for example, okay, the market reversed at the Bollinger middle band. The same situation here, again here, and by the downward trend, you got it. Bollinger middle band, Bollinger middle band, Bollinger middle band, Bollinger middle band. So it keeps on going like that. So we don't have to. It may happen something here. This is also possible, especially the market reacted with the lower shadow on this Bollinger middle band. Okay, this is the moving average 20. So this is the point. So, but anyway, it's a red candle. Yeah, it's a red candle, so that will bring most probably a short trade setup, which might be a slightly better. Good. This is the 3 hours chart. Maybe let's take the. Let's leave it. Okay, let's leave it with 3 hour at the moment. This is either a 5, so a completed impulse to the upside, and a finished move on a daily chart, okay, and finished here on the daily. This could be this area finished, okay, and the market started something new to the downside. This is one scenario. The other scenario, this is a 3. This is a 1, 2, a big 3. And this is a 4. The 4 corrective wave should not enter into the territory of the first wave. Okay, and the first wave ends at 136.20. Okay, so as long the market keeps on moving in this area and will not enter into this first wave, we may have an upward move ahead of us. This is also possible. Okay, I have plotted a channel to the downside, connecting, if this is a correction, so an A, B and a C wave, and again a kind of an A, B and C for a X wave, and this is an A, B and a C again, so the market should not bring strongly down through the lower boundary channel. Okay, and this is almost the case. Yeah, it has broke down here again, but went back again. Okay, we'll see what will happen in this area. Okay, so this is what I can say at the moment. This looks like it may end finally. Okay, it may be finished soon. This downward move. Most probably it's the last part of this move. Yeah, okay, I've got here, if this is in 1 and 2. Sorry, this 1 and 2. So there is this FIBO 100. So that is the reason the market is reacting in this area. If this is a 1 and 2, 3, 4, then you've got this FIBO, and this is here in this case 261. So this is too deep to be honest. It's not a typical level for a fifth wave, but anyway, there is something else. I mean, this orange Fibos, an A, B, possible C wave. Okay, so this is everything in this area. So I'm expecting the market should reverse in this area. Okay, it's a big doji here already. Show lower shadows, small candles, again small candles. So this is everything. Either a cutting correction within this move, or the market is preparing, especially this candle with a long upper and long lower shadow, shows that there is something going on. Okay, and I said last week we've got a divergence here. Okay, and this was slightly lower here with this MACD, but we had the divergence here, and the market went to the upside. This is this move here, but the histogram. Okay, this is the lowest point. Okay, and this is the higher low. Okay, so there are some chances for the market to reverse, despite of this monthly and this weekly red candle. Okay, so as I said, it may happen around Bollinger Middle Band that the market may reverse again. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so that's the Euro USD, Great Britain Pound USD monthly. We had a hanging man, I guess. Yeah, this is a hanging man on the monthly. Currently red candle. Let's go to the weekly, which is now a red candle. We had a reversal here. This is a strong reversal signal. It's engulfing above Bollinger Middle Band, or in the area of Bollinger Middle Band. So you can see how the market is reacting on the Bollinger Middle Band. And now this candle is in the midway of this red candle, of this green candle. Sorry. So this is also a typical levels where the market likes to reverse, may react to that. Let's take the 2 days chart, because on this 2 days chart I've got this A, B, probable a C wave. Okay, and I said last time the C was not able to reach Fibo 100. This is the pink Fibos, and got a new measurement, an A, B. A possible C wave again. I mean, there are some internal moves. There might be some internal waves which will give a big C, and finally a finished fourth corrective wave. And if you check this orange Fibos, you can see that we are around the same levels. Okay, so this 120, 127, 127. So this is all in the same area. And again, we've got this 23.60, very typical level for a fourth corrective wave. Okay, so this is what we can expect. And this is a 1 hour chart. I've sent you a signal for the 1 hour chart this last week, and the signal was not able to develop. So that is the reason I send you the TP0 in order to get out of this position, and it was the right decision because the market fell to the downside then. Okay, but this looks like it's trying to reverse. And we've got the same situation. This is the first 1 and 2, and if this is a 3, the fourth should not enter into 1, and this is the first extremum of the first wave. Okay, so as long it will not go into this area, it may reverse, and this looks like it's trying Fibo 50 for the third corrective wave. Yeah, I mean, the length of a third wave, this is the measurement for the length of the third wave, 0 and 100, and the fourth should not go deeper than 50, 61.8. It happens sometimes. You can see the reaction here. You cannot rule it out, but should not fall that deep. But as said, it should not go into the first wave. And if it will not enter into the first wave, then we can say, okay, it's still a fourth corrective wave. It's still a fourth corrective wave. Good. So this is what I've got here. This is the red candle. Yeah. Do I have anything else here? 3 hours chart. Yeah, this is the 3 hours chart. What I'm what I'm checking here on the 3 hours, I mean, okay, this is the C wave where the C wave could have ended. Very precisely, this is 138.20. So it was very exactly. In the future, I'll try to send such signals for such counts. Okay, if I've got such a excellent count, I will try to give you a signal for dead lows or such highs. You know. But anyway, this upward move was stopped at 61.80. Okay, this is the reaction. So that's why I'm asking myself whether there's an A and B and again a C to the downside. Okay, and this can give us this move here on this 2 days chart, so on the higher intervals. Okay, and this will be finished, and then we'll go to the upside. As long this is not broken, that low, this can be triggered as a new impulse. And actually, I'm counting it on a 1 hour chart as an impulse. Okay, it looks like an impulse, to be honest. I think this should be a fourth corrective wave. Especially this wave was trying to react on this 23.60, 1, 2. So there was a range of reactions in this area. Okay, then it went down, but around 38.20, around 50. So this is the reaction here. So those are typical reactions for a fourth corrective wave. Good. Let's take the gold. Regarding gold, we've got a reversal in this area. The market it's looked like it's reversing in this area, and may continue this upward move. Yeah. So if this is right, then okay, I've already plotted those blue FIBO levels, and the market may go up to those levels. Okay, so this is pretty much what I can see on this gold market. Let's take the monthly. Yeah, we had a red candle on the monthly. The market may try to react on this monthly candle. This happens quite often. The question is A, B, and C. This looks like an A, B, and a C. It's a corrective structure. And in that case, the market entered into the first wave. Yeah. Okay. I think the only thing I'm asking myself is whether this is the first wave was here or somewhere here. But it looks like I mean, yeah, it looks like we could have one here, or if we had a third wave, this is also possible. So it was a third wave. Let's assume it was a third wave. So the fifth made has reached almost 161.80. This is also very typical. So the length of from 1 to 3, if you are not sure where was the one, where was the first wave, where has the first wave finished, or where's the third wave, and this was a fourth, ABC for the fourth, and this is the fifth. Yeah, could be. Yeah, I mean, as long the market is trying to go up and is not breaking below that low, we may say, okay, this is the 4 and the final fifth. The fifth may not go up higher than this high. This could happen as well. So there are a few scenarios like that. Good. Let's go to Japanese yen currency pairs. Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. At the moment, we are red. The current candle, the previous one, is green. So the market is trying something here in this area. Still, this is still a fight around those levels here, because this is not finished yet, most probably. Okay, weekly. On the weekly, we've got a doji candle on the weekly, or shooting star on the weekly. So some weakness. So that's the weekly. That's the daily. On the daily, I'm asking myself, okay, is it already finished? And we've got an A, B, and a C wave, or the market is trying to continue this and finish it slightly higher. Okay, like on this 6-hour chart. Okay, so there was an A, B, and C, and this is a move to the upside, an impulse to the upside. The answer, I don't have an answer for that yet, to be honest. But this is the 3-hour chart I've shown during the last week. The count here, it was very precise. Yeah, unfortunately, I haven't sent any signal for that. I've missed it somehow. Okay, and I already asked my subscribers to shout on me when I will be talking about such levels. And then, because I'm analyzing a few instruments, so sometimes it may happen that it will go. It's too late to enter. We had a move here and send a sell limit order, but this order was not triggered yet. The market was not able to move to the upside and continue this downward move. Yeah, unfortunately. So this is like investing a lot of time in analysis and in counting, but then you miss the entry. It happens with Elliott. If you pay a lot of you invest a lot of time in analyzing, but then at the end of the day you miss the entry. Yeah, this is the negative point about Elliott. Unfortunately, many people say like that. Okay, anyway, I'm still thinking that such levels are possible to count as shown. And yeah, the point is, okay, not to miss them. So just take the positions here and risk them. Very simple, risk them. Okay, so this looks like a 1 and 2 and 3. Maybe it is a 4. That's why it's reacting at 38.20. So we may have A, maybe a B and a C, and then a final fifth to the upside. I think this move, this will be finished as an impulse, and this is a C wave for this B wave to complete. So there is an A, there was an A, B, and a C. B will be completed on this weekly, and then we have a C wave to the downside, which might be stronger. Okay, which might be stronger. So this is the most important stuff regarding Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. I checked the euro, Japanese yen, the monthly situation. This is a strong reversal signal on candles. I talk about it. So the market may try still to reverse in this area, and I think this may happen. Yeah, this may happen. Let's check the weekly. We've got a doji on the weekly here. And then I've got a 2 days chart. Yeah, and this I've adjusted this support line here because I think that's the best way to deal with this euro Japanese yen. Just wait. Either the market is trying to go up and actually I think it's already breaking a resistance line. This is a resistance line here. Okay, it's not broken yet. It's not broken yet, but it may try to break this line, and this will be a signal for an upward move. Oh, it's already broken. Sorry, it's broken. Once again, let's check that the 1 day chart. Yeah, it's broken. It's broken with doji. Okay. It's broken with a doji. Again, this might be a doji evening star. Yeah, it looks like a doji evening star. So reversal signal. Okay, so the upward move might be finished here, and the market will continue this downward move. Okay, so this is a little bit a tricky area now. So that's why I'm not so focused on this euro Japanese yen. What I do. Each time I'm not sure what the market is doing, I'm just leaving it and letting the market to show me to develop by itself and then show me the right count. Okay, so this is what I can say about the euro Japanese yen at the moment. Yeah, all my counts up here were very precise, and this was also done nicely. The reason for that, I think it's on the monthly chart, because the market is asking itself whether whether this is a reversal and we need more time to continue this downward correction probably, or because this count to the upside was completed, so there must be something either a corrective structure or there might be let's take the 3 hours, not weekly, maybe a weekly. So there might be something else here. So the fifth is not completed yet, okay, and this is an one. Maybe it was the third wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the final fifth. I have to check it once again. Should I have something, I will publish it on the Google Plus account. Good. Let's go to the USD Japanese yen monthly. We've got a green candle, the monthly here, and that's the weekly. Okay, so reaction around this broken support line. This is not completed yet. It looks like it's getting better and better. This is what I've shown on the 12 hours chart. This is slightly not updated, so be careful with that, because this is a weekend and sometimes those charts are not updated, but the 3 hours chart is up to date. So we've got a reaction on this 3 hours chart. So we've got a area here, we've got a top here. There might be another move to the up. Okay, and I will follow probably this downward move. So I will wait for a correction, then move to the downside, which will break this support line. So this is pretty much what I'm waiting for on this USD Japanese yen. I've got a shooting star here on this weekly. Might help. Okay, the question is of course whether this upward move was finished. If I check this 12 hours chart, and should I concentrate on this butterfly pattern? The butterfly pattern brings a reversal in a trend. So this indicates that the trend will change to the downside in this case. So we may have a continuation of this downward move here. Good. So thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.